Hello, ninth graders. In this brief presentation, I'm going to walk you through how to complete number 7 on your library task sheet. Number 7 is probably the most difficult, the most challenging of all the exercises on the sheet. So let's look at the directions. You're being asked to locate an answer to a reference question by using a reference volume or set of volumes in the Xaverian Brothers High School Library. I want to point out what you're not being asked to do here. You're not being asked to use a database. You're not being asked to use any type of digital or electronic source to do a search. You're being asked to use an actual reference book. So, everybody has a question. This person has a question about a legal term called habeas corpus. What does that mean? Now, there is a bibliography, which is a list of sources, that is located on the circulation desk. That sheet looks just like this. So you can go look at it on the circulation desk, or you can take a look at it right here in this presentation. So if I have a question about a legal term, that's a question about law. So would I look in an encyclopedia of art for a question about law? Probably not. Would I look in a book about American music for a question about law? Probably not. But West's Encyclopedia of American Law would probably be the best place to look. So I have to go find that set of books. It's actually a multi-volume set of books. I have to find that set of books, and I have to figure out where am I going to find the answer to this particular question about habeas corpus. And then I have to ask a librarian to make a copy of the page where the answer is located, and I'm going to circle the correct answer on the copy and include it with this task sheet when I submit it to my English teacher. So I have to look up habeas corpus. I have to find the page where the answer is. I have to get the page copied, and I have to then include that copy with the answer circled. So here's what that's going to look like. Okay? I find that it's in West's Encyclopedia of American Law, so I have to write that down. That's part of the answer. Then I bring the page over to one of the librarians. Here's the page where the answer is. Notice that the answer itself is circled, not the entire page. We'll have some students who will do that. They'll circle the entire page. We want you to go right to the spot that focuses on answering your question in the simplest terms. And in this particular example, the definition of habeas corpus is right at the beginning. So you have one of the librarians make a Xerox copy of that page. You circle the answer. If you have any difficulties figuring out where the answer is, you ask for assistance, and we'll help you, we'll direct you towards reading the section more carefully and finding the answer. So that page would have to be included with your response. You'd have to fill in this section right here on where that page is from, which source it's from. And what's the list of sources? The list of sources is right here. It's going to be in this presentation, and it's going to be on the circulation desk counter. Okay. This sheet does not have to be submitted with the assignment. It's the sheet with the answer that has to be submitted with the assignment. So again, let me stress one thing that's very important here. You're not looking for this in any type of electronic or digital database. You're looking for this answer in a book that has a page, and that page can be copied and submitted with the assignment. Thank you very much for paying attention. I hope this information has been helpful. Don't hesitate to ask for help if you need it. Thank you.